In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Salesforce. We're going to walk through a simple, practical example of adding a hyperlink inside an email from a Salesforce contact record. This is really useful when you want to direct someone to a website, a document, or any online resource, but you want the email to look clean and professional instead of just pasting a long URL. First, log into your Salesforce account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in and you're on the main Salesforce screen, look over to the left-hand side panel. There, you'll see different objects like accounts, contacts, opportunities, and so on. For this example, we'll work from a contact record, but the same idea applies to other records where you can send an email. Click on Contacts, then choose a specific contact from your contact list. This opens that contact's record page where you see their details, activity history, and related information. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct contact, since the email you're about to send will go to this person. On the contacts page, find and click the email option. This will open up the email composer inside Salesforce. You should now see a standard email window with a message body area and a formatting toolbar across the top, similar to what you might see in regular email clients. Go ahead and type the email message you want to send. Think about the part of your message where you want the recipient to be able to click and open a link. For example, you might type something like, "Click here to view the document," or "Visit our website for more details." Next, using your mouse, highlight the specific words you want to turn into a clickable link. This is important, because only the highlighted text will become the hyperlink. Once the text is highlighted, look up at the text toolbar above the message. You'll see an icon that represents a link, usually shown as a small chain. Click that link icon. A pop-up window will appear, asking for details about the hyperlink you're creating. In this pop-up, you'll see a field for the link URL. Paste or type the full web address you want to link to, including the beginning of the address, such as HTTPS. You may also see a field for a title or similar information, depending on your setup, which can help describe the link. After you've entered the URL, click the Save button in the pop-up. The window will close, and your previously highlighted text will now appear as a clickable link inside the email body. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a link in a Salesforce email.